When you open all 3 boxes of the scale set, you'll find the following components. Indicator stand pole. Scale base. Sidewall protectors. Only one is needed. Scale indicator. Charger. Indicator manual. Fasteners and wrench. Scale cable. Stand protectors. Stand base. Scale feet. Side wheels. Handles. Now, let's install the handles. First, remove the nuts from the handles. When installing, note that the handles only fold in one direction. They should fold down toward the bottom of the scale. Place the protection wall between the scale and the handles. Insert the handles through the mounting holes, then tighten the nuts from the back. Tighten the handle nuts firmly using the supplied wrench or a 14 mm metric wrench, ensuring the handles are securely fastened. Now, let's install the side wheels. Please note that we won't use the protection wall on the wheel side, because the indicator stand protectors will be installed there instead. These two parts are not compatible. So set the sidewall protector aside for now. Ensure all nuts are fully tightened with a supplied wrench or a 10 mm metric wrench for secure assembly. Install the scale feet into the load cells. Screw each foot in completely. Then adjust the scale to the desired height. Once the height is set, secure the feet by tightening the lock nuts. Let's insert the scale cable into the indicator stand pole. Place the pole upside down. Straighten the cable, then feed it from the bottom of the pole up to the top. Ensure that about 1 foot of the cable remains outside the top of the pole for easy connection. Now, install the indicator stand pole onto the indicator stand base. This is the front side, which should face the scale. The back side has 2 wheels at the bottom to make transportation easier. Use 4 bolts and nuts to firmly attach the pole to the base. Ensure all nuts are fully tightened with a supplied wrench or a 10 mm metric wrench to secure the pole to the base. Now, we'll install the indicator stand protectors, which help prevent the stand from tipping over. Align the bolts on the protectors with the holes on the front side of the indicator stand base. Insert the bolts, then secure them by screwing the nuts on from the back. Make sure the bottom edges of the protectors are aligned evenly with the bottom of the base. Securely fasten the back nuts with a supplied wrench or a 10 mm metric wrench to ensure the protectors are stable. Now, let's install the indicator bracket. Feed the cable through the bottom hole of the bracket. Position the indicator on the bracket and secure it using the provided bolts and nuts. Securely fasten the indicator bracket by tightening all bolts and nuts using the supplied wrench or a 10 mm metric wrench. Insert the indicator side bolts into the holes on the bracket, then screw in the knobs on both sides. Flip the indicator and connect the cable. The cable only fits in one direction. Align the notch and slot on the plugs carefully. Secure the cable by twisting the locking cap. After connecting the cable, tighten the side knobs to secure the indicator. Plug the other end of the cable into the scale base, then secure it by twisting the locking cap. Fold any excess cable and secure it with a zip tie. Place the tied cable under the compartment of the scale base, not under the beams. Ensure the cable runs outside the indicator stand protectors, not between them. Flip the scale base down and position the side wall so it fits between the two panels of the protectors. Make sure the side wall does not rest on the protector bolts. Congratulations! Your scale setup is complete. Flip the switch on the bottom of the indicator, and your scale is ready to go. The indicator's charging port is positioned at the bottom. Routine charging is required once per week.